Hi, sir. Can I know what you do for a living?
Hey, who are you, sir? Have you ever heard? Don't talk to strangers. They are only there to do you harm. Anyways, how can I help you?
Actually, I'm feeling a little hungry here.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Don't worry, come. I belanja you lunch. Come follow me. There's a Muslim-owned food store here at 1J Cluny Road, Singapore Botanical Garden. Come, let me belanja you. Don't worry, come. So this is Sprouts Food Place. Like I was saying, it's at Singapore Botanical Garden. You can come via Bukit Timah there, through Evans Road, or you can come in through the Tanglin side there, Cluny Road lah, near the Gleneagles, what you call it, hospital. So come, I belanja you, come. So here got one Muslim-owned store called Abang by Pondok Abang. Okay, Abang by Pondok Abang. So they are selling here. They are famous from Clementi since 1990. Nasi lemak pandan, guys. Okay, nasi lemak pandan, and they are famous nasi goreng ayam penyet. Okay, which they created more than 20 years ago. Okay, come. Hey bro, this is the stall. I belanja you, okay? I will belanja you nasi goreng ayam penyet. Okay, I will tell nanti buatkan nasi goreng ayam penyet untuk dia, okay? Because kasih dia, belanja dia, okay? Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, settle for you already, bro. Don't worry, you won't be hungry, okay? Good luck to you.